Microsoft just revealed a brand new AI chip called Maia 200, and it's not just a product announcement, it's a message. A direct warning shot at Nvidia, the company basically powering most of the AI boom. Here's why this matters. Every time you use an AI tool, Copilot, chatbots, image generators, there's a hidden cost behind that instant answer. That cost is called inference. Basically, the moment the AI is thinking and responding in real time. AI feels free, but under the hood, it burns through massive compute. And that's why subscriptions, API pricing, and AI features keep getting expensive. And Maia 200 is built for one job. Make those AI answers cheaper and faster at planet scale. Think of training an AI model like building a high-performance engine in a factory. That's the big dramatic part everyone talks about. But inference is the part nobody glamorizes. Because inference is driving that car millions of times a day, on highways, in traffic, in bad weather, for every single user request. And when billions of people start using AI daily, the driving cost becomes the real bill. So Microsoft isn't optimizing the engine build. They're optimizing the part that happens every second of every day. Now the specs are where this gets wild. Maia 200 is built on TSMC 3 nanometer. That's cutting-edge manufacturing. And it's designed for low-precision compute like FP4 and FP8, which is perfect for inference because it gives you more speed with less cost. But the real star is memory. It packs 216 GB of HBM3E, pushing around 7 terabytes per second of bandwidth, plus 272 GB of on-chips RAM. Translation? This chip is designed so the AI model isn't constantly waiting for data, because waiting is wasted money. Here's the line that should make investors lean forward. Microsoft claims Maia 200 delivers around 30% better performance per dollar compared to the latest hardware in its current fleet. That's not a nerd flex, that's a business weapon. Because if you can serve AI responses 30% cheaper, you can either make Copilot faster, cut costs, or underprice competitors and win market share. This is not about winning benchmarks. This is about winning margins and scale. And this isn't a prototype for a PowerPoint slide. Microsoft says Maia 200 is already being deployed in a US data center in Iowa, and Arizona is next. That matters because it tells us something. This chip isn't just an experiment, it's being rolled into the real Azure machine, the infrastructure behind AI services people use daily. Now here's the part that makes Nvidia nervous. Nvidia's advantage isn't just that they sell powerful GPUs, it's that they dominate the software ecosystem. Especially CUDA, where developers build everything. But Reuters says Microsoft is also pushing a toolkit using Triton, positioning it as another path that reduces dependence on Nvidia's software stack. And if Microsoft can make it easier to run AI workloads without being locked into CUDA, that's how you attack the real moat. Okay, what does this mean for you, not for Microsoft? If inference gets cheaper, AI features stop being premium and start being everywhere. That could mean Copilot feels instant instead of laggy, more AI tools get bundled into Office, Windows, and Teams, lower cost for developers using Azure AI. And more realistic AI agents that can do tasks non-stop without costing a fortune. When AI becomes cheaper, it doesn't just get smarter, it gets more available. And Maia 200 is part of a bigger trend. The hyperscalers are tired of paying the GPU tax. When AI demand explodes, relying fully on one supplier becomes risky and expensive. So the big cloud companies are building their own silicon, not because GPUs are bad, but because controlling your own chips means controlling your costs, your roadmap, and your destiny. Maia 200 is Microsoft saying, we're not renting the future of AI, we're building it. And this leads to the real question. Does Nvidia stay the default engine behind AI? Or do we enter a future where big tech fractures the stack, each company running its own chips, its own tools? Comment Team Nvidia or Team Microsoft, no sitting on the fence. And tell me what you want next. Chips, AI agents, or Copilot upgrades.